Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I am so glad you could join us. I am super excited for today's video because I am doing my very first open collab with some pretty amazing and talented people here on YouTube. So a bunch of us have come together to give you some Halloween and fall food and craft inspiration. This challenge is called the Michelle's Halloween Boo Bash, which is hosted by the lovely and talented Michelle over at Michelle's Cozy Home. Now, if you haven't heard of her channel yet, then you should definitely go check her out. She does some pretty amazing DIYs. Everything she makes is just beautiful, and I love watching her videos. So this challenge consists of two categories, food and crafts. And we have two co-hosts for this event. On the foodie side, we have Alicia from Alicia Lynn. Alicia makes amazing recipes on her channel that are all Weight Watcher friendly. She also shares her Weight Watcher journey. She does hauls as well as some great product reviews. And then on the crafty side, we have Eileen from The Hearts, and you will find a lot of amazing crafts and DIYs on her channel. So I will have the links to these amazing ladies' channel as well as the playlist to this fun event in the description box down below. So make sure to go check out that playlist once you're done watching this video. And I have a pretty exciting and amazing fall dessert to share with you today. So let's head on into the kitchen and get started. So today you guys are in for a treat because I am sharing with you my all-time favorite fall dessert, and that is a no-bake turtle pumpkin pie. Seriously, you guys, this is so good. I just made one and I already want to make it again. It's super yummy and also very easy to make. So here's what you're going to need, and also I'll have the recipe in the description box down below. So here I have one of those Graham Pie Crust, and you're also going to need 1 teaspoon of ground nutmeg, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and then you're also going to need half a cup plus an extra 2 tablespoons of chopped pecans. Now you can buy the already chopped ones. I just already had these in my pantry, so I'm just going to chop them up myself. You need some Cool Whip topping, about 8 ounces, 1 cup of pure pumpkin puree, 2 boxes of Jello Instant Vanilla pudding mix, a 1/4 cup and another 2 tablespoons of caramel topping, and finally 1 cup of cold milk. So the first thing I'm going to do is whisk together the 2 packages of instant pudding mix, the spices, the pumpkin puree, and the milk. And I'm going to whisk this well until fully blended. Now I'm going to fold in 1½ cup of my Cool Whip topping, going to set this aside, and then I'm going to grab my pie crust and add a 1/4 cup of the caramel topping, and I'm just going to spread this evenly on the bottom of the crust. Then I'm going to grab half a cup of chopped pecans and sprinkle it right on top. Now I'm going to grab my pumpkin mixture and I'm going to add it right on top, and I'm going to spread this evenly until smooth. Now the best part about this dessert is that it's no bake. So now I'm going to place this in the fridge and I'm going to refrigerate it for 1 hour. So that's what I'm going to do right now, and then I'll come back and we'll add our toppings. All right, so it's looking good. So now for the fun part. I'm going to add the rest of my whipped topping. And now I'm going to sprinkle some more of those pecan pieces right on top. Doesn't this look good, you guys? But I'm not done yet. Now for the final touch, I'm going to drizzle some of that caramel topping all over the pie. And as you can see, I'm just doing this with a spoon, super easy. So here it is. This pie is definitely one of my favorites. I honestly think I could eat this all year long. It's that good. So I'm just gonna quickly cut a piece just to show you what it looks like on the inside. So that is what the inside looks like. And as you saw, it's simple to make. Anyone can make this. It's perfect for fall, and I think it would also be a great dessert to bring to Thanksgiving dinner. All right, you guys, I really hope you all enjoyed making this delicious pie with me. Don't forget to check out the playlist for some more fall and Halloween inspirations. There are some really great ones, and you're not going to want to miss it. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, I will see you again in my next one. Bye, guys.